What's up, everybody? Welcome back. It is me, Young Heat. But anyway, so I just got a question from someone, and they asked for me to show you guys how I do my hi-hat patterns like this. So I'm going to show you guys how I do my patterns like that, how I get my hi-hats to sound like that and basically go up and down, or do the little rolls and things like that. It's fairly easy. It's not too much work, not too much that I actually have to do, but I know some people don't know how to do that, so I'm going to show you guys how to do that in FL Studio right now. So let's get into it. All right, guys, so look, we're just gonna do something simple. I'm not gonna get too complex with it. This is just a way to get you started. Shout out to Wave Supply. This is a Nick Muir hi-hat from his Bodega kit. And what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna show you guys just a quick way to kind of go in and do those simple hi-hat tricks and those hi-hat patterns. I know some of you, and a lot of you might already know this, but some people don't know this. So this is for people who don't know this trick or don't know how to do this. Just to get you started, I basically take it, I fill each 2 steps, I'm gonna add it to the piano roll, throws it in the piano roll, and then I basically will highlight this section and do the quick command of Control B, and just do something simple like that, and it'll put it all in the right place. So usually what you'll want to do is you'll want to mess with your steps here. It just all depends on your tempo, where you're gonna be at. I know for this I'll probably set it at like, let's say like 135. I like double time. So a lot of people like single time. For me, I like double time. It helps me better with these type of hi-hat patterns and things like that. So this is what the hi-hat pattern will sound like, just normal. All right, simple, right? Okay, so then what I do, I'll click one just so that when I add another note, it's the same size. Let's change the timing here. Half step and zoom in a little bit more. It's just normally how you would, just like a normal way of how you would chop your hi-hats up. So, but then you can get crazy and you can go add it up into, take these notes up. And that's pretty much just the basics of, doing those simple hi-hat tricks and patterns like that. And when you're messing with it, depending on the key of your beat or the key of your sounds or whatever, you may want those hi-hats to fit those same keys. So sometimes you can, if you're one of those people that builds up the pattern all on one, track, you'll be able to see your ghost notes behind here, so you can match up the notes of the hi-hat right with the other note. Just like this, if I go into another track, I can see the notes of the hi-hat. So if I had an 808 here, I could go into the hi-hat track and I'll see the notes of the 808, and I can try and match these notes with the 808. That way everything matches as far as key wise, and you can know where you're, that way everything sounds good and cohesive together. So that's pretty much the basics and how you would do your hi-hat pattern or do these tricks to your actual hi-hats. So hope this helps. All right, everybody, I hope that you liked this video. I hope that this helped you out. I hope that you understand now how to do your hi-hat rolls. If you guys like that type of style hi-hat rolls and MIDI patterns. If you're still not really understanding, or you still don't like to take the time to do it yourself, you can definitely get those type of patterns right from boatloadkits.com. We basically create those type of patterns for you already, and you can already have them done for you. That way it speeds up your workflow. It won't take as long to do them. You don't have to sit there and manipulate the notes and all those things. So go to boatloadkits.com. Make sure you guys check that out. We also sell loops and things like that as well, but I don't want to make this a sales pitch for you guys. So until next time, I will holla at you. Make sure you guys hit that thumbs up. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and hit the bell button so you don't miss any more of these videos. All right, guys, I will holla at you later. Peace.